Once social media data is syncing into Klaviyo, it's time to consider, how am I using this information to grow my business? Focus on how to use social media data to cycle customers through the top, middle, and bottom of your marketing funnel. Let's start at the top as you engage new, prospective customers. But first, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. First and foremost, update your Omnichannel welcome flows. Add unique pathways based on how recipients entered your list, in this case via social. Then, tailor your messages to align with the specific content that sparked their interest, ensuring a cohesive and personalized brand introduction. For example, if your auto-reply strategy includes custom questions, you might feature content that responds to someone's unique interests. This moves you into the middle of the funnel, where your goal shifts to converting interested prospects into buyers. With social data on a customer's profile, you can power smarter omnichannel nurture content. Need some inspiration? Target omnichannel subscriber segments who recently commented on a post, or mention your brand in one of their own posts, but haven't purchased. Follow up with a timely discount that speaks to that content. If you have a new shopper who doesn't yet follow you on social, add content to your post-purchase flow, encouraging them to follow along for exclusive deals. As you get tagged, monitor user-generated content to seek out trends and what customers want from your brand to weave into your ongoing campaign calendar. You can even feature social posts in those campaigns, or in conversion-focused flows, like price drop or abandoned cart. After someone shops, your goal is to keep them engaged for the long haul. Social media is a powerful lever for retention and brand advocacy. First, identify customers with a large number of followers and request user-generated content via a flow, asking them to tag your brand to maximize your reach online. To go a step further, implement a reward system for brand mentions and posts to drive community building and referrals. In this case, you can pair your omnichannel strategy with any other integrations you may use to pilot an influencer or loyalty program. And finally, leverage social media engagement alongside other Klaviyo data like purchase history and predictive analytics to better customize your messages, like a reminder to shop on someone's expected next order date, or a winback message if they've lapsed in engagement or social sharing. We just covered a lot of ground, but don't panic. You don't have to do everything at once. Pace yourself, testing what works and driving incremental growth on social media. Just don't forget to connect your social strategy with your campaigns and flows to truly harness the power that this channel provides. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and head to the description for more resources to learn and grow with Klaviyo.